Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to view protected tweets on Twitter or X without actually following the account. If you've ever wanted to see tweets from a private account, this trick is for you. Let's get started. First, open up the X or Twitter app on your phone. If you want to view tweets from a specific user, start by searching for their username in the search bar. Now, if the account is set to private or protected, you won't be able to see their tweets directly. However, there's still a way to get a glimpse of their activity. When you search for their username, you might see some search results related to that person, such as replies to their tweets or mentions of them from other users. You can use this method to get an idea of what the person is tweeting about or what's going on in their feed, even though the tweets themselves are protected. You'll be able to see context and responses from others, which can give you a pretty good sense of their posts. And that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.